Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Outlook not syncing. If Outlook is not updating your emails properly, there are a few simple things you can try before moving on to more advanced troubleshooting. In this walkthrough, we'll start with a basic sync attempt, then if that doesn't work, we'll force Outlook to close and reopen it. As a final option, we'll also mention signing back in. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Give it a moment to fully load so all menus and folders are visible. Sometimes Outlook may appear open, but it is still loading in the background, so waiting a few seconds can help avoid confusion. Once Outlook is open, go to the top of the window and click on View. This section gives you access to several display and mailbox-related controls. You're looking for the toolbar area where the Sync option is available. Next, click on Sync in the toolbar. This tells Outlook to try refreshing and pulling in any new messages, calendar updates, or other mailbox changes. In many cases, this quick manual sync is enough to get things working again, especially if Outlook has simply paused or delayed its connection. If Outlook is still not syncing after that, the next step is to close it more forcefully using Task Manager. To do this, right-click on the taskbar. This is the bar usually found at the bottom of your screen. From the menu that appears, click on Task Manager. When Task Manager opens, look for Outlook in the list of running apps or processes. If needed, you may need to scroll a little or use the search function depending on your version of Windows. Once you find Outlook, right-click on it. Then click End Task. This will fully stop Outlook, including any background process that may be stuck and preventing syncing from working properly. This can be useful when simply clicking the X to close, the app doesn't completely reset it. After ending the task, you can reopen Outlook and check whether your emails begin syncing again. A full restart often clears temporary issues and allows Outlook to reconnect correctly. If the problem still continues, another step to try is to relog or sign out and then sign back into your Outlook account. This can refresh the account connection and help if the sync issue is related to a login or session problem. Take your time with each part, and after each action, give Outlook a moment to respond. In many situations, one of these quick fixes is enough to restore syncing and get your inbox back up to date.